Hello, viewers. Welcome to English Grammar Test. Test your English skills. You will have 6 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
Question 1. Olivia dashed to school every day. A. Go B. Goes C. Going. Question 2. The books on the shelf dash dusty. A is B. Are C was. Question 3. I dashed my keys yesterday. A. Lost B. Lose C. Losing. Question 4. He will come if he dash time. A. Have B. Had C. Has. Question 6. We dashed watching a movie now. A is B. Are C. Were. Question 6. We dash watching a movie now. A is B. Are C. Were. Question 7. The cat dash under the table. A. Are B. Is C. B. Question 8. My brother dashed a new car last week. A. Buys B. Bought C. Buy. Question 9. She speaks English dash. A. Fluent. B. Fluently. C. Fluency. Question 10. There dash many people in the room. A was B is C were. Question 11. I saw him dash the street. A. Crossing Itva B. Cross C. Crossed. Question 12. Neither of the answers dash correct. A. Are B. Is C. Were. Question 13. If I were you, I dash go. A. Will be, would see, can. Question 14. She dashed to the gym before breakfast. A. Go B. Goes C. Gone. Question 15. The movie started dash I arrived. A. Before B. When C. After. Question 16. They have lived here dash 2010. A. Since B. For C. From. Question 17. This is dash best day of my life. A, B, the C, and Question 18. He dash play the guitar well. A, can be, could see, may. Question 19. She dash her homework by 8 p.m. A, finish B, finishes C, will finish. Question 20. Dash umbrella is this? A, who B, whose C, which. Question 21. The baby is too young dash talk. A, to be, for C, at. Question 22. We dash to Paris next summer. A, will go B, go C, gone. Question 23. The test was dash easy for me. A, much B, very C, 2. Question 24. He doesn't have dash money. A, some B, any C, no. Question 25. She was born dash May. A, in B, on C, at. Question 26. I prefer tea dash coffee. A, then B, to C, over. Question 27. They arrived dash the airport on time. A, in B, at C on. Question 28. Everyone dash here except Jack. A, is B, are C, were. Question 29. I dash to the gym twice a week. A, go B, goes C, going. Question 30. He dash his leg while playing. A, break, B, broke, C, breaks. Question 31. Let's wait until the rain dash. A, stop, B, stop C, stopped. Question 32. Neither of the boys dash interested. A, were B, was C, are. Question 33. The children dash playing outside. A, was B, were C, are. Question 34. I don't know dash he is coming. A, that B when C, which. Question 35. Dash you help me with this? A, could be, may see, would. Question 36. He usually dash breakfast at 8. A, have B, has C, having. Question 37. We dashed TV when he arrived. A, watched, B, was watching, C, were watching. Question 38. This is the place dash I met her. A, what B, where C, that. Question 39. I dash like to visit Japan someday. A, would be, will see, shall. Question 40. She is better dash singing than dancing. A, in B, at C, 4. Question 40. She is better dash singing than dancing. A, in B, at. Question 41. They moved here dash last year. A, since B, for C, in ya. Question 42. I wish I dash fly. A, can be, could see, will. Question 43. The teacher asked us dash quiet. A, be, to be C, being. Question 44. He was punished dash he was late. A, although B, because C, unless. Question 44. He was punished dash he was late. A, although B, because C. Question 45. Dash is knocking at the door. A, who be, whom see, whose. Question 46. He has dash finished his dinner. A, yet B, already C, still. Question 47. We stayed at dash hotel by the beach. A, B, and C, the. Question 48. Dash she work here? A, is B, does C, do. Question 49. It started raining dash I left home. A, while B, before C, since. Question 50. You dash not smoke here. A, must be, may see, mustn't.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.